time to head on out. Virginia has been a lot of fun. This thing moves quick. So we do know our new location, but you're just gonna have to stick around and follow us on our route to our new location. I almost gave something away there, sorry. And now we're headed to Charlotte for a couple of days before we take that route to our new destination to get some work done on the truck, and we may be hitting up the Renaissance Festival tomorrow. So we gotta go get packed up and hit the road.
Let's go.
So we just pulled up to my folks' house here in Charlotte. The thing about where my folks live is they're in a cul-de-sac here, if you can see behind me. And in order to get into this, we can't get around that loop because there's low-hanging trees everywhere. So we have to back in. So Victoria wanted to show off her parking skills real quick, so.
Okay, am I good?
Yep, now you can come back.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Straight back. Come passenger as you come back a little bit. Passenger. Passenger. Straight. Passenger. Straight, I'm sorry. Perfect. Killing it. Nobody's coming. You're not blocking anybody.
They are coming, but what do you want me to do?
Straighten. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Passenger. Yep. Straight. 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 Perfect. Keep coming. Keep coming. You got it. Keep coming. Swing it driver on your way back a little bit.
I'm as far driver as I can get.
That's fine. Then come back. You have all the room to play this. Hard passenger. Yep. Now straight. Hard passenger. Just trying to keep you in. Keep you going. There you go. Keep coming. Alright. Keep coming back. 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 You can. Yeah, you see where I am. Come at me. Okay. Now, yep. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming straight. Straight. Yep. And then swing it and drive it. Coming back towards the end, but slow. We're coming back slow at this point. So slow, 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 slow. Hard driver. Yep. Keep coming. Slow, 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 slow. Stop. So, get out and take a look. What do you think? I'm pretty sure she stuck it. She wants to double check her work, which you should do. Get out and look. Do you want to brag real quick? Because I was telling everybody how you wanted to show off.
It's not about showing off.
Is it not?
No.
She stuck it first try. There's no like backing in, backing out. This is a cul-de-sac. Just saying. She came back about 90 to 120 feet, somewhere in that range. Okay, one thing you should probably know if you're going to come to Renaissance Festival, it is only on the weekends, which means you're going to run into a lot of
this. Wait, Saturday, Sunday, or Thursday?
Saturday,
or Friday,
Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday.
I think it's
Sunday?
just Saturday, Sunday. But you know what? We're not experts on anything, so please don't listen to us. But hey, we looked the part. It took us quite a while to get here, but we finally arrived, and it's almost turkey leg time.
If we can call this arrived.
All right, we finally got parked. It only took an hour and 15 minutes, but here we are.
We made it.
And now we're walking inside. Yes, let's go. Any line, any line. You're the one.
I am the one. The one and only. Thank you so much. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, appreciate it. First stop, the pub.
And I'll get the frostbite, please.
Thank you, sir.
So Renaissance Festival apparently supports the fam over here. Foothills Brewing. All over the place.
All over.
Signs, cups, beer. All right, good job, fam. And for those new to the channel, her family is involved with Foothills Brewing, so that's why we always think it's a big deal. Everywhere we go, we see it. It's getting bigger. Look at all the potions.
Here we go! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is D'Angelo. And this is Scaramouche. And this is Raphael. And we are the Tortuga Twins Go Crazy! I don't know which forest he was in. Sure would. Exactly. Forest? Sherwood? Somebody explain it to the blonde girl.
No problem. I understand that line.
You gonna get your fortune told?
Going over here to sultry treasures.
Oh, do it. All right. This is where I like to see the wife go.
Definitely people that follow around Renaissance festivals everywhere.
It's like Grateful Dead groupies.
Yeah, kinda. It's kind of crazy.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Mean to
You
mess
should
you up.
film from in the middle.
Like
You stand right there.
Right in between.
underneath.
No, like you stand.
Okay.
We're gonna go and just keep that close to yourself, like close to your chest.
Okay.
Or that was better.
Oh.
Not there. And we'll go.
Throw it through
So
here.
bend your elbow.
You can like
Bend
turn
your
it towards
elbow.
this juggler and turn
Perfect.
it to
We're gonna go
that
right
juggler and see us throwing things. It'll be awesome. Let me grab him, throw one to him. Boom. Come on, guys. Watch out.
All right, y'all. You ready for this? Here we go.
Ready?
I'm a guinea pig. Woo! This is gonna be the best shot ever. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Thank you guys, that was awesome. I was not expecting that.
I got the last turkey leg in line.
Wow. Got it. Universe. All right, how you feeling about this food?
Excellent. Heavy. Woo. Great.
Did you actually say you think the corn's better than the turkey leg?
Cheers. Do I get a bird?
No, you do not get a bird.
Can I get a bird?
No.
Rides in the colors of black and gold. He is Sir Maximilian, the Earl of Raven. Oh my word, it's getting heated in here, boys and ladies. Max turns, he's at the ready, and Edgeron charges forth. This is pass 2!
Did you get all the things?
I got multiple candles.
Shocker.
You can never have too many candles.
That's right. It's almost go time.
Let's go. Wait, where are we going? Home?
Like we gotta leave. They're kicking us out.
That's a wrap on Renaissance Festival, y'all.
I personally am excited to be able to breathe again after this experience.
Yeah, she did suffer in the corset today, so. But hey, Renaissance Festival, 9.7 out of 10.
It was awesome.
Way better if you dress up, y'all.
It's that time again. As a reminder, this is what we're using. A couple of 5-gallon buckets that we got at Walmart. This turtle wax, car wash and wax. This worked really well for us last time. A couple of these wash mitts. These little telescopic things are a lifesaver. This super absorbent towel. And making sure you finish it all off with this vinyl and rubber UV protectant. One thing that I do not think made the cut this time, this little foamer thing.
No, that thing's trash.
And good old man power. Woman power.
Okay, it's RV wash day. We've done this one other time.
So we're essentially experts.
Exactly, and with that expertise, we're gonna challenge ourselves a little bit today and try and wash the entire exterior of the RV in under an hour.
Woo. And just as a reminder, this is a 34-foot travel trailer and it has not been washed.
Since Arizona.
Yeah.
The only other time we've done it. The question is do you think that we can get this done in under an hour? So let us know in the comments below and we'll time it. We're gonna be professional about this, okay? We're currently in Charlotte staying at my parents' house on our way to our new destination from Virginia, so keep tuning in to figure out where that is. But we figured it'd be a perfect opportunity to get this done.
Yeah, as you might know, a lot of RV parks will not let you wash your rig in their park.
Yeah, a lot of them don't want you to use the water or, you know, have a bunch of soap everywhere. So our suggestion is they might let you, they might not. Just ask. You never know until you ask.
Yep, our last park did.
Exactly. My parents, not an RV park, so shout out to the rentals for letting us do this in front of their house.
All right, let's get this party started.
I'm getting blasted here. I keep getting soap in my eyes. That's a tough one. A lot of soap in the eyes. Oh man. Okay, we're making good time. Wash and dry is done. Next step, sealant and glass clean.
This is also a really good time to check all of your seals and make sure they're still good.
Get them seals good, girl. Okay, all right, we're done. What is it? Got it. Got it. Let's go. Woo! Oh. Okay, it's a wrap. Kodi is looking clean right now. Now let's be honest. How many of y'all out there thought we were gonna get that done in under an hour? I gotta be honest, I didn't think we were.
I didn't think we were gonna make them.
But just in time. Obviously we rushed, but I don't feel like we cut any corners and Kodi's clean. So success on the RV wash.
If you're interested in knowing what we use to clean our RV, make sure you check out that link below. We actually have quite a few things on our Amazon list that you might enjoy.
All right, that's a wrap on Charlotte, y'all. We are headed out. Next stop. So you see, oh, look at that cute little lady in the back right there. That's my mom, y'all. Say, hey, Ma.
Thanks, Mama B, for letting us stay.
Yeah, my parents letting us mooch dock off of them. We appreciate them as always. It was fun. Renaissance Festival was fun. Hanging with fam was fun, but now it's on to the next one. Gatlinburg, Tennessee.